Going up even further. Oops, going up even further. It's a little bit dodgy here, so if you ever come up here, just remember that. Need to hold on here. Oh, I made it. Gotta make it back now. I don't know what's up here. I've never been up here, so you guys are seeing it for the first time as well.
No, because it fell and then went quickly over the water, right?
Oh, this is the end of it. Oh, we're right up the end as far as we can go. All right. Here we go. Looks nice here as well. This is as far as we can go. So that's it. Can't go any further. It carries on obviously up through. Right, so I've done it at last. Got to the end of the waterfalls.
Right there. Yeah, you put it on.
And it hit one branch, but it didn't fall. It's like, wow, lucky that it didn't fall. But then when we